So the direct contributors, as stated earlier, kita no, those who have the capacity to pay, direct contributors, employed, government, private, and the individually paying, and then those under the indirect contributors, those or those who don't have the capacity to pay, like ang ilahang income or ang ilahang contributions is derived from subsidies, no, like the Syntax, PCSO, and the PAGCOR. So ang ato ang contribution starting 2019 is at a premium rate of 2.75. So every year, as embodied in the RA 11223, ga-increase ni siya, no? Appeal na ni siya dire. Rule 3, Section 10, regarding the premium rate. So appeal na ni siya every year, ga-increase siya. But what happened during those years? So from 2019, ato nang gipa-implement. So 2.75, 10,000 and 50,000 ceiling. So ang 10,000 is the floor. So meaning 10,000 and below, ang atong contribution is at 275. Then at 50,000 and up to 50,000 ceiling, ang atong contribution is at 1,375 with a 2.75 rate. Then in 2020, ato po ni siya gihapong gi-implement. 3.0 na ta. So again, the floor and the ceiling, the floor is the same but the ceiling ni-increase siya to 60,000. So na changes. But what happened in 2021? There was a clamor from the different sectors, especially OFWs, no? Wala ta ni-increase because of the rising prices in commodities brought about by inflation, and then at the same time kaning ato ang COVID-19 pandemic. So naatay moratorium, holdover of the increase. So from 2020 to 2021, the same rate ang atong gi-apply, 3.0. The ceiling and the floor in the same. But in 2022, ato siyang gipatuman ang 4.0. So 2020-2021, the president was then President Roa Duterte. So directive from the president to hold the increase in premiums. So directive, it's not an executive order, dili siya, but there was a attempt to amend the RA or the act, but it did not happen up to the second reading lang. Wala siya ni push through because kinahanglan jud nato ang funds, increase in funds. So what happened in 2022? Ni-increase ta 4.0%. So in 2023, again, directive from President Bongbong Marcos, moratorium na po. So wala ta ni increase to 4.5. The same ang ato ang rate, 4.0. So meaning 10,000 ang floor and then 80,000 ang ceiling. So times the 4%, in between, no, the floor and the ceiling, mao na atong contribution. Then for the employed sector, 50-50 man na ato divided by the employer share and the employee share. And then in 2024, karon we're waiting for again another directive but wala pa man.